This video will be a quick overview on how to buy an excavator directly from the Chinese manufacturer and delivered right to your address. If you would like specific or more detailed information, please ask your questions in the comments. The easiest way to find an excavator and manufacturer is to search the Alibaba or Made in China websites. Transactions conducted through these sites offer a substantial degree of safety. For this video, I will assume you know how to navigate all the e-commerce websites and that you know what size and quality machine you need. Once you have found the excavator you want and the various suppliers selling those machines, contact them providing as much detail about you and your needs and the machine you are looking to buy. Make a request for a comprehensive quote that includes the machine, any auxiliary equipment or parts including door-to-door delivery, which is known as DDP Delivery Duty Paid, and the approximate time from payment to delivery. This will be the total cost of the machine delivered to your door and how long it will take before you receive your excavator. This is the short and sweet in buying a Chinese excavator and having it delivered right to your address for one all-inclusive price. Let me know if you want more detail on any of the following subjects. How to get the best price. The things you should ask your supplier to provide to assure you get what you want. What is a trade assurance order? How to find a manufacturer. What are the advantages and disadvantages in having the Chinese supplier arrange for all the shipping, insurance, taxes, and customs duty versus having your broker make those payments and arrangements? How to track your shipment once it is loaded on the cargo ship. If this video has been helpful, let me know by giving me a like.